Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March 25th, 2023, and I wanted to show you here the English daisy seedlings. One of them is going to start blooming. So as this continues to open, I'll come back with more in this video and show you what the flower looks like. You can see my English daisy seedlings here. Now we are having an issue with ants and aphids in this greenhouse. So we've been spraying with neem oil and using diatomaceous earth. You can see some aphids down, whoops, hold on here, let the camera focus in. There we go. Down there on that leaf there. So these were all sprayed today, so hopefully that's the end of those down there. Okay, so today is March 30th, 2023, and you can see here the English daisy has opened. Now the interesting thing with English daisies are the longer they open, the fuller that the flowers will actually get. So you can see there's another one. Where is it? It's right down in here. This one here is going to start blooming. So that's what the English daisies look like, and like I said, they come in multiple different colors, and they will, this whole thing will actually open to like a puff ball, sort of. So they're really neat looking, and I wanted to share this with you here. Now these are ready to be transplanted, and we're making room to get our stuff to be able to actually transplant it, so we're making room in one of the other greenhouses for that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye!